Welcome, today I'm running with POCO M5 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on that device. So first let's launch Gmail application and then click here on the right upper corner. So now we can see that we are logged in into two accounts at the same time. And now just to log out from one from these accounts, in Gmail app we should log out from Google accounts on our device, and to do that we should click manage accounts on this device, then tap the Google section and select one from these two accounts. For example, let's use the second one. Tap here to more and click remove account. After that, confirm your action by click here to remove account again. And that's it. Now in Google account settings, we stay only with one Gmail account, and let's go back to the application so we can check and see that in app we also stay only with one Gmail account. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.